So basically, to build a chatbot, how we usually do it is there are 4 stages, right? So the first stage is you gotta ask what is the goal of the chatbot. The bot is so powerful; it could do a lot of things. It is like a website and an app and a PA all put together. So to build everything is tough. So what we usually do is we ask what is the one thing that the bot is supposed to do, right? So we figure out what is the main goal. Number two is we choose the channel. So how we consult our clients is to choose the channel. You could choose there are a few: Skype, you can do Messenger, you can do Telegram. There's a lot of places you could put it. So you want to ask, where are your people right now? Where are they hanging out? Are they in Facebook, or are they in other places? So for our clients, a lot of our clients do Facebook ads, and their Facebook page is their main hub for all their businesses. So I would suggest Facebook Messenger is one of the best places right now to use as a channel for chatbots. So step number two. Number three is you want to figure out how do you want to create a chatbot. So there are a lot of platforms that you can build chatbots. Some already have templates, some you can build from scratch, some you can code. So you don't have to be a coder or developer to create it. It's easy. The strategy part is the challenging part. You got to figure out how does it connect with your business strategy and how does it create leads and profits. And finally, is once you already know how do you want to create it, is to actually create it and then you customize and then you launch. So this whole process, you have to do the testing, you have to use a different type of marketing because it's one-on-one. The user, how the user goes through it is different. The copywriting, what you write in it is different. So there's a lot of new techniques inside what we call messenger or chatbot marketing or conversational marketing. So these are the 4 steps. One, you define the goals. Number 2, you define the channel, and then you look at how you want to create it, and then you build and launch it.